Hey guys, it's Todd, Fat to Fit. I'm using my Sony video camera, or whatever, my digital camera again to do photo or to do my videos, so I can't tell whether I'm on the screen or not. I gotta learn how to make sure I'm doing this right. But anyway, wanted to show you guys a couple of pictures today. Actually, they're photocopies of x-rays. And I'm going to try my best to do this. I want to see, first of all, I'm going to show you a side view of my leg. Okay, ready? And I want you to look at the top of the page. Hopefully you can see it. It has my name on it and the date. It says February 11th, 2009. Okay? So, hopefully you can see that. And so that's the side view, and you can see all the hardware that's left in my leg. And now this one here, you can see, hopefully you can see my name and everything up at the top. Okay, so this is the front view, and the L on there stands for my left leg. And somebody requested this, so I'm going to do it. This is a bag of the hardware that they took out of my leg. So as you can see, you've got like a 5-inch plate and two 3-inch plates and a whole mess of screws. And you can see maybe at the top it says Gilbert Todd Gilbert, that's me. So this is all the goodies that they took out of my leg. They took them out on January 28th. So that's like 2.5 years. I fell off the roof in September. That's when I fell off the roof and broke both my legs. And so 2.5 years later, the hardware started to not agree with my body, so my surgeon removed it. So we did that Wednesday, January 28th. And so 2 weeks after that would have been February 11th. That's when they took those x-rays and removed my stitches. So today's February 17th, I think. Let's see. Yeah, it's February 17th today. So yesterday, a few days after getting my stitches removed, I was back in the gym. Yesterday I did 30 minutes on the elliptical machine. Well, first of all, when I go to the gym, I always start out in the weight room. So I did biceps and triceps for about 20 minutes yesterday. And then when I got done with that, when my heart rate was at my target heart rate, then I jumped on the elliptical. Did that for 30 minutes. And then after the elliptical, then I walked, got my drink of water, and then got on the bike. Did the bike for about 15 minutes on like level 7. And then after that, I went into the dry sauna, sat in there for like 15 or 20 minutes, and then finished my workout. So anyway, so before, let's see, the day that I got January 28th, I was, right before I went into surgery and stuff in the morning, I weighed myself and I was at 252 pounds. And this last weekend when I weighed myself, I was 247. What does that say to some of the other people on the weight loss community? I think that no excuses should be one of the things that it should tell you. If I can have surgery and be unable to work out for 3 weeks and still be able to lose weight by eating correctly with the minimal amount of exercise or minimal, I did hardly any activity. I took a few days off of work after my surgery. Other than that, I started working again. I'm a courier, so I was doing, like deliveries on crutches and stuff like that. And it's just, you just can't have any excuses. I mean, there is absolutely no reason why able-bodied people, including myself, because I'm not crippled, I'm not disabled at the point, I mean, clinically, descriptive-wise, I am disabled because I have, my right ankle is fused at a 90-degree angle, so I can't lift my foot and lower my foot on my right leg at all. It's fused at a 90-degree angle, but I still swim, I do elliptical. I'm trying to figure out a way how to do the rowing machine, but since it has a fixed plate for the feet, I can't do that because I can't bend at the ankle to come down. But anyway, there's no excuse for able-bodied people to exercise. It's just there isn't any. You know, I'm busy. Well, you know what? I get up I go to bed at night with my wife every night at like 10:30, but sometime between 10:30 and 11:30. I get up every morning at 4 o'clock in the morning. I get up, I make breakfast, I eat healthy in the morning,